Today you are going to learn how to make a ribbon wand. Hi, today we are going to discuss how to improvise, and that means use something in place of something else. So it's ribbons, and normally at school we would have ribbon wands. We'd have these glitter ribbons with these beautiful ribbons on the end. Today this is all I could find. So these are ribbons, and they're just all tied together. So if you have ribbons, you can use one ribbon, you can tie some together. I also have just the regular ribbon that you use to tie up a package with. So you can use that. You can hold it with your finger, you can tie it onto your finger, you can wrap it around your finger. You can make it as long or as short as you want to. I wouldn't make it any taller than you are though. All right, then I found some string, and I just tied it to the end of a pen. That will work for what we need. And then I also cut a paper towel into strips, and I just taped it together, and then I taped it to a straw. So before you get started on your lessons today, you are going to need to find something to use as a ribbon. So cut up a paper towel, tape it together in strips, tie it to a straw. It's not pretty, but it'll work. Cut a piece of string. You can hold it with your finger. You can also use a shoelace. That will work. Please ask your parents before you start taking things apart and cutting things up and taking your shoelaces out of your shoe. So just make sure you check with your parents. So we need to have some kind of long, stringy thing that you can wave around as a ribbon. It needs to be pretty light, so use your imagination, and then as soon as you get your ribbon together, then you can click on the lesson. And you're going to need it all week, so save it. You're going to need it Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right, have a great day. Let's have fun.